Brett Barron will lead us. Raymond on the top side. Look at Mark Raymond through the bumps. Shallcross on the outside into position number 3. Stoddy goes upstairs, Brett Barron. Raymond right up on the top of the fence. Baldwin up in a 4th position. Pimenton back to 5th. Stoddy is 6th. Barron and Raymond. Mark Raymond tags the fence. Shallcross down on the bottom. Brett Barron, your race leader. Raymond is 2nd. Shallcross is 3rd. Barron. Stoddy goes through into 4th position. Not for long. As Baldwin fights back on Stoddy through turns 1 and 2. Shallcross looking for a way past Raymond. It's not to be. Look at the snot. The motor of Mark Raymond. Up on the high side. Big move by Raymond on the fence. Going the long way around Charlton Raceway. Barron, Raymond, still working the high side. This is superlative stuff. The Karoi Auto Wreckers Falcon, and he takes over the lead. What a move! Oh no! Dennis Shallcross, a massive rollover. Oh, can you believe it? His hands are in the air, he's dirty, the roof is gone. You are kidding me. A monumental wreck on the main straight. You got a feel for the bloke. He has put on a super display this weekend. Was top point scorer after night 1. Hyperformance Videos was all over it. The young fella from Bundaberg through the roof. Put your hands together for him. He has put on a big show this weekend. Oh, Wes. You've got to be kidding me.
I don't know what to say. I really don't. That is just gutting, you know. And unless a man would be absolutely distraught, but you know, there's a fair bit of discussion going on about the incident at the moment. I'll just let him deal with that. But you know, there's a call spring. He's not happy. So we're just talking about what's going to go on here at the moment. I know you're there, and I know Dennis is having a look at his car at the moment.
We won't have a chat to him. He's a bit pumped up.
Yeah, I know he is, and he probably needs to take a breath. He's with you now, Rhino. He's not happy. Folks, that's a dreadful, dreadful shame. That's a dreadful, dreadful shame, and he needs to know that what he's done this weekend's been appreciated. Can you please give him a big round of applause to Dennis Shallcross? Give him another big round of applause, folks. I might be a magnet. I might be better off coming onto the infield.
It's all your fault.
It's got to be.
Now, I'm not going to go over near Brett Barron.
No, he's just been told.
I mightn't even look at him. He's got the biggest forearms you've ever seen.
Now, there's no intent in what happened, but the result of the contact between him and somebody else is what's caused this incident. There was no intent by Brett. There's no implication of that. But the rule is, and that's what the rule is. That roll cage design is exactly what we talk about as far as safety in race cars is concerned.
There is, and now here's another equation, Wes. Dennis Shallcross may have enough points to qualify because he will get, we'll talk about this shortly. As the race continues, Mark Raymond. Well, leaders, Adrian Stott is second, Darren Baldwin third, and Kathy Pimenta is fourth. Adrian Stott, a big move on the inside. Oh, Jags are running a bad time. Mark Raymond, your race leader, Adrian Stott. Darren Baldwin and Kathy Pimenta. We got a big race at the front of this one. Raymond and Stotty, the Gimpy duo, out in front of this with 4 laps left to run. Both up on the top of the racetrack. Raymond and Stott. Raymond controlling it at the moment. Adrian Stott a look on the inside. Both of these cars have got some gristle. Raymond switches back to the bottom now. Watch it a bit high there. And Stotty has got 2 laps to make a move for the lead. Look at Adrian Stott. Stotty up on the inside. Raymond on the outside. Banging panels. And Stotty into the lead. White flag coming out. Raymond at 47,000 RPMs. Behind him to challenge the last corner. Adrian Stott will take the win. Mark Raymond for second. Baldwin will get third. And Kathy Pimenta for fourth. He started from position 6. How about it for Adrian Stott? Yeah. And as I was saying before, Wes, Shallcross might have enough points to automatically sneak into the A main. If that's the case, he could substitute a car and start from the rear.
I'm doing the maths with you now.
Well, how about this? A flat right rear for Adrian Stott. I tell you what, things might be looking up, brother.
I can't say thanks very much for Jeff Blackburn. This is an awesome motor, but I don't know what went wrong in the rear there, but I gave it everything it had.
Absolutely. Go get him in the A main, mate.